Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Wednesday, December 26th. We had another trade last night, so I plan to quickly look at the odd sheet, review my reasons for the trade, and show it worked out. First, let's check out the odd sheet. As you can quickly see, there are a lot of index securities meeting the minimum criteria for a possible long trade. It was just the NASDAQ 100 that did not qualify. Odds for ES were strong across the board. Price action was solidly bullish, so were internals, and seasonality was as well. Both the averages and weighted averages showed strong numbers, and with so many other index securities meeting the minimum criteria, I liked the confluence of evidence that I was seeing. This by itself would have been enough for me to take a long trade, as long as the edge finder did not produce compelling studies suggesting a downside edge. But the edge finder provided 5 studies, all of which suggested bullish implications, so there was no question with all this evidence pointing higher that I'd be looking to take a long trade overnight. I did not have the trading discussion room open on Monday, but even when the room is closed, I typically post my intentions to the trading discussion room page. You can see that here. On Monday, I posted 2 quick notes about 5 minutes before 1. In those notes, I indicated the odds looked good to me, and that I intended to go long near the 1:15 p.m. close. I also indicated I'd be using a standard stop, and I'd be using the X target since seasonality was so strong. So let's take a look and see how the night played out. It was Christmas, so futures closed at 1:15 p.m. on Christmas Eve and did not open back up until 6 a.m. on Wednesday. While the last trade was at 14.19, the official settlement price was 14.1975. CME calculates the settlement by taking the average price traded over the last 30 seconds leading up to the 4:15 p.m. close, or in this case, the 1:15 p.m. close. I generally use settlement price when I discuss these trades because I figure it's a better estimation of where traders may have been executed, since only one person can execute the very last trade. Personally, my fill was not that good. I executed my trade about 30 seconds prior to the close and got filled at 14.20. Price popped higher when the market reopened at 6 a.m. It established a trading range within the first 5 minutes this morning, and then moved around in that area until around the 9:30 a.m. open. The open was 14.2375, so overnight traders would have made about 4 points on this one. It was a decent one for me and got me back on the winning side after some losers. Thanks for listening and rest easy.